Your degree might get you an interview, but your skills will actually get you the salary. Because 2026 is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Nowadays, companies are not asking for which college are you from, how many marks have you scored, they're asking for what you can actually do. Hi guys, if you are a college student and thinking कि job तो मिल जाएगी ना, then pause for a second because the job market of 2026 is going to reward skills, not just marks. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you top 5 high-paying skills that you should start learning right now because these can literally open a lot of opportunities, be it internships, be it freelancing, and even full-time job roles. First skill is AI and automation. I'm not saying coding from scratch, but knowing how to use AI tools smartly. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion AI, Zapier, these are becoming everyday office tools. And trust me, companies want people who can save their 5 hours using AI and do the task in just 30 minutes. समझ रहे हो? You don't compete with AI, you work with AI. And even small automation tasks such as auto reports and even AI content drafts can make you the go-to person in the team. Second is data storytelling. A lot of students learn data analytics, but only a few know how to actually explain the data. So if you can turn numbers into clear visual insights using Power BI, Tableau, or even advanced Google Sheets, you become extremely valuable. Because businesses don't just want reports, they want decision. So if you are able to make a simple chart, वो ज़्यादा better है than a 20-page spreadsheet that nobody understands. Third is digital marketing and personal branding. In 2026, your online presence is actually your resume. अगर आपको SEO, content strategy, even content creation, LinkedIn branding, short form video editing, इनमें से कुछ भी आता है ना, that can literally open a lot of opportunities, be it internship or even freelancing. One strong portfolio or YouTube, Instagram या LinkedIn में से किसी भी page का link can actually bring a lot of clients even if you're not applying. Fourth is financial intelligence. I'm not talking about accounting, but understanding budgeting, investing, taxes, and even business finance का basics. Because people who understand money always stay ahead, whether you are an employee, founder, or even a freelancer. Because ये skill ना school में नहीं पढ़ाई जाती है, but life always tests this. Even understanding salary slip or planning an investment early can give you a huge advantage in the long run. Fifth is communication and negotiation. You might be the most talented person in the room, but if you can't negotiate your salary or present your ideas properly, then you are going to lose a lot of opportunities. Public speaking, pitching, email writing, client communication, ये सभी skills तुम्हें आनी चाहिए. English perfect होना जरूरी नहीं है, बस confidence and clarity होना चाहिए. So if you are in college, don't just chase grades. Build skills that actually pay. Start एक-एक करके skills से. पहले उस skills को समझो and then उसके projects बनाओ, understand करो सारे concepts and then make proof of work. That's what we teach in our courses as well. Skills like Python, data science, digital marketing, Gen AI, and even Gen AI in finance, etc. There are a lot of courses in which we'll teach you from scratch. You'll build your own projects and then obviously you'll outshine other candidates. So I'll put all the links in the description. Do check out our courses and always remember, consistency beats talent when talent doesn't practice. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt and want to ask any question, just let us know in the comments. Till then, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.